Good people, how are you? You see why I always say if you don't have enough capital yekuti uvake imba kudhorobha, it's better unovaka kuvillage kwako. Yeah, you can bring that borrowed deal kumba kwenyu. Just check my village or home. Look, there is loni, malona atoripo, mvura iripo, everything, magetsi aripo. Asingaendi haafa akaenda magetsi atinawo isusu pamba pedu. Just check, as you can see. Yeah? Tinyatsopinda tinyatsokuratidzai kapaki iripo kapaki. Mukuona dzimba dzedu dzese, if you check, mune maflash toilets, mune mashower, mune matabu, everything. Everything. You see some of the solars are pamusoro pemba, and the other one, the big one, you see this is the big one. Even in rain gauge yo, tichipora chiona kuti kwana mvura yakaita sei kuti titizoti ticharima zvakaita sei. That house is still new, ichiri kuda kupendwa, ine maflash toilets mukati, matabu, everything is there. You see one of our tanks here for water for 2 bores, takasa 2 mabores. And that tank ramuri kuona riri pasi apo iroro mvura iyo yakaburwa ichibuda nepasi pegomo is pure water zvekuti tikutofunga kutoita bottling nayo mvura iyoyo. Even chero kuoneka pakadai pavantonetsa kutoti ndakubva kumusha nchienda kutauni, hakuna mvura. Zvinotorwadza kutosiya pamusha pakadai so uchiti ndikunoenda kunogara kutauni. Muri kufara here kuti takuenda kana ti which one do you prefer? Do you prefer to stay here or go back to town?
I prefer to go back.
And Maga?
To stay here.
To stay here. Okay, give your reasons why you prefer to stay here.
Yeah, it's so fun.
Yeah.
And we can see culture.
Yes.
And you saw some wild animals that we don't even know.
Yeah, it's very true. And it's the same as in town because we've got electricity, we've got water, we've got showers, we've got everything. So Mickey, why do you prefer to go? Maybe you missed your mom.
Yes, I miss her.
Next time we will not come with you. You must call that. Next time we're not coming with Mickey because she'll miss coming back.
What about you?
Maka prefers to stay here because this is Maka's home. This is Maka's home. Even if she dies, she will be buried here. That's why you want to go because it's not your home, yeah?